Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video, we will be going to see technical analysis of Zomato share, and in the last slide, we will be going to see how Zomato is performing towards its target of 10,000 crore profit in next 3 to 5 years. So let's start with the video. So this is a daily chart pattern of Zomato share where Zomato has today zoomed at a starting of 5% at a level of 96 with a good volumes of 141 million. So first we will see monthly chart for longer term target, then we will see weekly chart for positional target about 1 to 2 years, and then we will see for shorter term target on the daily basis. So let's start with the monthly chart. So this is a monthly chart for Zomato share where it is performing very good from the past few months from the lows of February or Jan, which was 44. So first we will see what are the support and resistance for the share. So here we can clearly see share as a good support at a level of 44 rupees. We will draw a trend line here at a 44 rupees, and at the starting price where Zomato has listed at a 115 level, because this level will after become the resistance for this share. Then the next resistance for this share comes at a level of 79 to 69, but the high of this consolidation was 75 to 76 rupees nearly. So this was a chart pattern of monthly basis where Zomato has given a breakout on this chart on the month of closing price of 1 June 2023 month, that is of June month. Here we can clearly say that Zomato is forming a W pattern. We will draw a trend line on this W pattern also. So this it follows the consolidation level, then it goes from 44 level to 73 level, then it again zoom from 73 or 76 levels to the level of 44, and then again zoom to the level of again 76, and afterwards given a breakout. So here we can call it a W pattern or a double bottom, where if anyone has bought the share here, then he or she has got a huge breakout and huge profit on this share, where the stock is currently trading at a level of 92, also shown a high of 103 levels. So these were some of the resistance and support for the share. Also, we can see the volumes for the share were pretty good from the month of April. So from the month of April, there was not a single red volumes in the volume chart pattern. So this was also a good sign. Here it has shown a sign of buying candle where it has given a breakout in the June month, closing price of the June month, where we can buy this share on the breakout of 76 level. Now we will see some of the analysis through the pivot points of Fibonacci. These are the Fibonacci pivot points, where Fibonacci pivot points also comes near to our levels that we have marked. That is the support one comes near to the level of 41, where it was taking support near 44 rupees nearly, and also it has earlier also shown a low of 40 rupees. So it was taking a support at 40 rupees level, then it was taking a resistance at a pivot level. The pivot level for this share comes at a price of nearly 79 to 80 rupees. So in the previous month also it has given a breakout for this share, or it has shown a breakout or high volumes where it closed above the price of 80. So anyone wanted to buy this share would have been bought here. So this was a Fibonacci level. Now next level for Fibonacci comes near our first resistance, which was at 114, and the resistance one come near 120. So this was the first level where it comes at 114 level. There is no direct resistance or very large resistance compared to the previous resistance between this level. So there was a psychological level of 100. So if it broke or closed above the 100 level, then it can directly show the 115 levels. Afterward, there is a very small resistance near R2 or the previous resistance of 130. So the resistance area become 115 to 130 levels, and the next target or the resistance become previous swing high of the shell, that is of 160 to 169 level. According to Fibonacci, the levels come near 180 rupees. So here also Fibonacci is showing that there is a growth potential about 100% in this stock if it closed above the level of 100. So if anyone thinking to look on this chart, so if he or she can buy this stock above the level of 100, closing price of 100, or at a support near the pivot which is near 81. If it comes cool downs, then we will see the Bollinger Band, where Bollinger Band has just started for this share and it has started quizzing. If it closes the on monthly basis, that is a month of August, about 93 to 95 level, then on the Bollinger Band also on the very shorter term, compared to the Bollinger Band, it will show a breakout. So this is also a good sign to buy this stock on the longer term. And MACD, there is not much to show on the MACD, as the stock has just listed in the previous year of 1 July. So now we will see on the weekly basis analysis. So this is a weekly chart of Zomato, where in the weekly chart also, it we will first delete these old drawings, then we will move on to what's our weekly analysis. So on the weekly basis, it was shown that it is consolidating on the level, that it has given a breakdown. Then it was come down to the level of 44. Then again tested the level of 75. Then again tested the exact level of 44 rupees. And here it has little bit gone down but closed above that level. So that's why it was not shown on the monthly chart. And then again it has closed down to the level of 44. Then again try to go to the level of nearly 76 rupees, but here it has got some consolidation, and this consolidation became good for the stock, because during this small consolidation we can see that there was double top for this chart nearly on 56 basis, so 56 levels. So 50, if it has broken the 56 level on the day of, on the weekly chart, or 24 of April on the closing basis, so this has also given a sign of closing or above the breakout. So here if someone has bought the stock, he or she also got as great returns. So now on the on the regular basis, currently the stock is moving up, and the next resistance, as we are seeing on the monthly chart, it comes near 115 levels. But the stock has gained some negative pattern, as there is a psychological level, and here also there was a very small resistance on the previous basis of 99. So 100 becomes a psychological resistance for the stock. So if it breaks above 100 rupees, then there is a direct return of 15% off on this chart. So this is good to buy if it breaks the level of 100 or closed above the level of 100 on monthly basis or on weekly basis also. And if it broke down the level of nearly 88 rupees, then it will become hard for the chart to again regain a 100 levels, 100 levels, because the chart will enter some of its bearish trend. A little sign of bearish trend will be shown here, because very for very shorter term only. Now we will see some of the analysis on the Fibonacci level. First we will delete this all this drawing, we will hide this drawing currently. So now coming to Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci has also got. Okay, we will delete these drawings. Sorry. So yes, we have deleted the drawing of support and resistance which I have shown earlier. So these are the pivot points of Fibonacci levels, where it was taking support. These are similar to the monthly basis only. So it was taking support near the level of 44, and it is near to the S1 support. So it will not break a level of 44 based on the previous analysis. No, we cannot say if there are more negative news in this stock or more negative pain in this stock, but from the chart pattern it is shown that it will not break those level of S1, only for S1 for next 1 to 2 years. And the resistance for this on the weekly basis also at the pivot level of 80 rupees. So after breaking the pivot, it was broken this in the previous month of weekly closing of 10 July, and after this broke, it has shown a one-way move or directly to the levels of 102, from levels of 82, a 20 rupees move, nearly a 25% move. on this chart. And here we have seen that it was consolidating continuously, taking a support near 44 and taking a resistance near a 76. So the why this 76 level was important, because 76 level was the IPO price which was offered by the company. Now, what are the next, if we want to accumulate this stock, what are the levels? So levels can become at a pivot levels of 81, or anyone can buy this stock above the level of 100 if a breakout is confirmed there. And based on the Bollinger Band has started expanding in the month of April only, on the weekly closing basis of 24 April, where it has been broken the Bollinger upper band, and where it was squeezing down, and it has broken at a good levels and at a very high volumes, which was nearly 576 million volume, which are very huge volume. And from this we can see a trend here that it it has gone up, then shown some consolidation for 2 to 3 weeks, then again gone up, then again shown some consolidation of 2 to 3 weeks, and then again gone up. Now here it is showing some consolidation, and the consolidated consolidation has lasted for some time, that is nearly 3 to 4 weeks. So if it breaks this level of 89, then we can say that in the shorter term it can test the level of 80, or if it breaks the level of 100 and closed above the level of 100 or 102, then we can say that the the previous pattern, it is showing higher level, then consolidating is continuing. So from Bollinger with that, we come to understand that the level of 89 are crucial for this stock, and then it can comes to the level of 80 or 76 level. If it comes to 76 level, then it can be a very good call for this stock. And based on the MACD has also shown a breakout at the 27 Feb, which was a low of the stock of 44. At a very low, the MACD has shown a breakout, and it was a very good buy at 50 levels. If someone has thought by buying through MACD, then he or she has got a huge returns. And now currently, from the past 3 weeks, the histogram has correcting themselves. They are, as we have seen, they are not in the dark green, and they are continuously being lower about its previous histogram. And also MACD is trading at very high levels, so here it can correct or cool down for some time. Now we will see the analysis on the daily basis, where if someone want to buy this stock for shorter term, or want to see if there is more correction in this stock. So on daily basis, it is also clear that the stock has shown a base of 44 levels, or double bottom of 44 levels. Then it, after some time consolidation on the daily basis, it has given a breakout above the level of 56. And again here we can see a pattern that it has it has gone up, and then it has started consolidating, then again it has gone up, then again for some time it has started consolidating, then again it has gone up, then again now it is started consolidating. This consolidation has lasted little bit longer, and here it can enter a long time consolidation here, because stock has shown a huge move. The move was nearly around 170% in the past 3 months, 3 to 4 months only, and this is a very huge move. The stock has nearly doubled up from its level, or from its low of the previous swing trade. And here they are started in the consolidation zone, I think so, because here it has given a high of nearly 95 rupees, then shown a low of 89 rupees, then again shown a high of 95 rupees, then again came down to the level of 90 or 89 rupees. Today the stock has gone up and opened up directly to the 96 rupees. Why the stock has opened up about 5 to 6%, we will see this in the next slide, as there are some of the news in this stock, and how the management is uh, uh, management is turning towards their target of 10,000 crore profit in the next 3 to 5 years. So we will see that in the next slide. First we will go through the candlestick volume, where the volumes of the selling pressure is increasing, and today it has sold with a huge volume of around 114 million. So this shows that there is a selling pressure at the higher side also. For the Fibonacci level, Fibonacci resistance 3 for the current month is only at the level of 95, which is the current resistance for this stock. That is, it has taken resistance from your 1, 2, 3, and 4th time today. So on the daily basis, if it b- breaks the level of 96, then this become a good buy for the stock. Or if it breaks the level of the resistance one, that is level of 86 or 89, 89 to 86 rupees, then we can see a level of 81 rupees here, then a level of 76 rupees, where this stock become very much attractive for very longer term, for next 3 to 5 years, because management has a very good plan for next 3 to 5 years. Now let's
So
see.
now we will start with how Zomato is progressing towards its target of 10,000 crore rupees profit in next 3 to 5 years, and what are the news today in the stock. That the stock opened gap up by 5 to 7%. So currently Zomato is charging 2 rupees as a platform fee per order in all of its cities where Zomato is delivering. That means if you order anything from Zomato, then you have to pay 2 rupees extra as a platform fee. In Q1 FY24, EBITDA margin for Zomato was 2.5%, but Morgan Stanley thinks that due to this move, EBITDA will grow to 4% in FY26 as for the food business only, and in FY27 it will grow to 4.7%. Now many of the brokers have started their coverage on Zomato with a huge target. Jeffries is giving a target of 130 rupees, HSBC is giving a target of 102 rupees, Morgan Stanley is giving a target of 115 rupees, CLSA is giving a target of 105 rupees, and Citi is giving a target of 115 rupees for the share. So every broker is seeing Zomato share above 100 rupees from in the current time. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel RVC Analysis. And if you have some doubt, then please comment on the video.